What's going on, guys? Finance Media here, back with another video tutorial. So today we got learning how to advertise on Facebook, master Facebook ads the easy way, and make money on Facebook using their marketing and analytical tools. All right, so this course is rated 4.6 stars, and over 8,000 students are in it right now. That's crazy. So let's get a little more into detail about this course. There's 21 lessons throughout the course. It's a beginner level course, and you get a certificate after completion. So the course is $116.99, limited time offer. The prices look like they're going up soon. So what that includes is an hour and 28 on-demand video. You have access on your mobile, and you have lifetime access, so you can show your family, your cousins, your friends, or if you want to use it later, you can always have it. That's awesome. It's like a textbook almost. So what will you learn? How to use Facebook ads, how to boost traffic to your Facebook page, and how to attract a bigger audience to your Facebook page. These are really important tools to gain traffic through Facebook, and this course teaches you in depth about how to do it all. So we'll read a little description about the course. If you own a business, are a blogger, entrepreneur, or want to attract more people to your page, you need to learn how to advertise on Facebook. If you are not doing that correctly, you're losing a ton of customers every hour. Luckily for you, this course will help you understand what effective Facebook ads are and how to advertise on Facebook the easy way. So the only requirements to do this course are you should have a Facebook account or be willing to create one. You should be willing to spend a lot of time online. That's crucial when trying to grow your Facebook page. So a little bit about the instructor, Alan Hill, international business journalist. He has over 19 courses he teaches and has over 130,000 students throughout all of those. And he's rated 3.0 stars, which is really good. So we'll get a little in detail about him. He's taught almost 100,000 people worldwide how to make extra money quickly and easily. Follow Alan Hill's lectures and writing. See quick and simple ways to improve your business. He's spent over 40 years running businesses while also interviewing and working with some of the most famous business people in the world. So that is a little bit about the course. If you guys want to click the link in the description below, you can get right to it and go check it out for yourself, or also you can click on the free link and sign up for free courses that are offered on this website. Also, if you're looking to buy this, I have a 30% off code, save money 30 for 30% off. Other than that, I'm Finance Media, and this has been another educational tutorial. Till next time, thank you.